Hi, sweet friend, and welcome back to 5 Minute Meditations for Kids. This meditation is part of our Goodnight World Around the World series, where we gently travel to different places and softly say goodnight to the world around us. Tonight, we are traveling to a beautiful country filled with history, art, oceans, and sleepy little villages. Make sure that you are comfy and cozy in your bed with your blanket, maybe your favorite stuffed animal. Let your eyes softly close if they'd like to, as we get ready for your time to rest. Let's take in a slow, deep breath together in through your nose and gently breathe it out through your mouth. Let's do it again, breathing in calm and slowly, slowly breathing out the day. Let's imagine floating softly through the nighttime sky, traveling gently across the world. Tonight, we are visiting Italy. The moon glows over quiet cities, rolling hills, and sparkling coastlines. Everything feels peaceful, sleepy, still. Let's say goodnight to Italy. Goodnight to the quiet canals of Venice, where little gondolas rock softly on the water and the sleepy bridges rest above. Goodnight to the beautiful square of St. Mark's, now quiet beneath the moonlight. Good night to the colorful little homes of Burano, resting peacefully for the night. Good night to ancient Rome, where the Colosseum stands strong and tall after thousands of years. Good night to the Trevi Fountain, where the water sparkles softly as the city sleeps. Good night to Vatican City and the quiet chapels resting peacefully tonight. Good night to the paintings and the sculptures resting quietly in the museums of Florence. Good night to the giant dome of the Florence Duomo shining softly beneath the stars. Good night to sleepy bakeries and warm kitchens resting after pizza, pasta, and sweet gelato shared together. Good night to the winding roads of Tuscany, lined with tall cypress trees and rolling vineyards. Good night to the peaceful blue waters of the Amalfi Coast, where the little seaside villages glow softly in the night. Good night to the cliffs of Cinque Terre, resting above the sea. Good night to the calm lakes, like Lake Como, reflecting moonlight like glass. Good night to the tall, snowy peaks of the Dolomites, standing quietly in the distance. Italy feels warm, cozy, and oh so peaceful. And now your body can feel peaceful too as you let your forehead soften, your eyes feel heavy and sleepy. Let your shoulders relax as we say goodnight to your arms, goodnight to your hands and your fingers. Let your breath become slow and steady. Let your legs sink deeper into your bed as we say goodnight to your knees and your feet. Goodnight to your toes. Italy is resting now. The canals are quiet and the fountains whisper softly. The stars shine over the sleepy villages and the peaceful seas. Your body knows exactly how to rest too. Just breathing slowly, feeling safe and warm as you drift off into a peaceful, peaceful sleep. Thank you for traveling with me tonight. Italy is resting, and now you can rest too.